respect to recommending to prosecution or investigation. Number 2 is with respect to taking action for disciplinary proceedings. Now, as soon as you refer to disciplinary proceedings, where do you get in list 3 the word disciplinary proceedings with respect to employees and state employees? There is no provision at all. And therefore, either you have to delete it and keep it only for criminal. Otherwise, this you cannot. It is not a act which can be severed. That this portion will be severed and will be taken into list 2, because as soon as you will take it into list 2, you have no power, and it is the state alone which has the power. So far as subclause C is concerned, you even have the power to give a recommendation under this act. You say that a recommendation for closing the proceedings. You will give a direction that close the proceedings with respect to disciplinary proceedings. So where do you get this power under list 3? So you are yourself in full doubt, because there are so many legal luminaries over here and all very eminent lawyers who I have great regards for them, and I've been an admirer for 35 years being in profession of all of these senior lawyers and ministers on this side. But I'm sure when the argument was being made, when the submission was being made before you with respect to these provisions, they were also feeling that we had to bring it, so we have brought it, but otherwise they are feeling, from their faces we can see, that is totally illegal and unconstitutional. But they cannot speak because they have a pressure. Now, we should not pass laws under pressure. We should not make an unconstitutional provision under pressure. This is my submission so far as list 1, 2 and 3 is concerned. I'll just kindly permit me. I'll try to, if anything irrelevant, you kindly tell me.
No, I'm not saying irrelevant. I am saying time.
टाइम से तो 8 बजे लोकसभा में 12 बजे आता है.
ऐसा नहीं होता.
Important issue है sir.
No, I don't mind if other speakers, if you withdraw the.
Now, Article 253. When the leader of the opposition, rightly pointed out to the lawmakers that kindly see that you have prepared this bill makers. Lawmaker is the parliament, the bill makers. That look here, 253 will not give you sanction with respect to this. They went back to 253 by saying that we have signed a convention. We have signed an international. Now, I tried to get yesterday the list of the conventions and agreements which they have entered in United Nations and with other countries. There are more than 500 of them which are listed there, and which cover almost every subject which is in the state list. Now, what do they mean? They mean to say that now, since we have, today we'll pass this law, and once we pass this law, this is for our friends of the other states also to consider it seriously. We have been supporting them outside, they have been supporting from inside, but kindly consider this, that if there are conventions and various agreements or covenants in foreign countries which they go without taking the states into confidence, without even consulting the states into confidence, they go and sign there, and after signing, say, now when the list was taken, almost every subject is included. Now therefore they can make law with respect to the states on every subject and say, look here, see Article 253. And from Article 253, they can have a legal sanction and have full control over the states and completely ruin the federal system, which will not be permitted and which cannot be permitted. I had even taken out the United Nations Convention Against Corruption, which you have referring into your statement of objects, and also you have referred into the justification given today because you have signed this. Now, what does this have? Kindly go through it. You are only reading one article. There are 70 articles, more than 70 articles. Have you framed law with respect to all these articles? Or are you going to frame law with respect to all these articles? Kindly clear it, because in this very, if you will see, there are certain articles which say that you will not enter into the, whenever you will, I'll only refer to 1 or 2 articles of this, which is being referred and which has been made the basis of this particular bill. So this is important. Now I'll just refer to Article 5. Kindly give me just 5 minutes, I'll sit on there. Article 5 says, preventive anti-corruption policies and practices. Each state shall, in accordance with the fundamental principles of its legal system. The word used here, this is the source. This is the basis of their formation of this under 253. Now this itself says Each state shall, in accordance with the fundamental principles of its legal system,